Hey guys, it's Brandon with Cedar Ridge Campers. So in this quick how-to, I'm going to show you how to use the OVS shower room with our Vega 2.0 shower. So this is a $250 option and gives you a little privacy on the side of your camper to shower in if you need it, or to put a portable toilet in obviously for the same reasons, for privacy. So it's quick and easy to use. Again, $250 and it's from Overland Vehicle Systems. Good quality product. So to get the shower room ready to use, cover off, 2 Velcro straps here you loosen, and then it's just going to come on down. Now you'll fold these out, make sure this is locked. The first one will be easy because there's not any tension against it. This one, when you pull it out and you lock this, it may take a little bit of pressure to actually get that locked. You just make sure it's hanging open and it's ready to use. The zippered opening is on this side. So it's up against the camper door right over here. You can't see it, but there's a zippered opening right there to get in and out. Now, these are just simple pull straps. So if you are using it for a portable toilet, if you want this to be all the way to the ground, then you just loosen these up. We usually just run it up like this for showering. Okay, and now to use the actual shower, this port on the side, you'll open up. We store the shower hose and head in here. Now, a few minutes before this, ideally, you would have turned the Trumacombi water heater and furnace on if it's not on already, so that you have hot water, unless you like cold showers. Then we'll come here, we'll open up our galley, make sure our water pump is on. It is now on. So the Trumacombi water heater's on, the water pump is on. We are ready to hook the shower up. Now, you just have this turned toward off. Off is to the right, clockwise. Have it turned that way. It'll only fit in if it's turned correctly. So you push it in and then turn over and it automatically locks in place when it turns on. So you have cold to the right, hot all the way to the left, and then obviously all your blends in between. And then just hang that over there, and then you would go in and do your showering. Now, when we're gonna put this away, we just simply reverse the process, turn the water pump off. I would do that first. Oh, and before I forget, there is a zippered opening on this side that you can reach through and obviously adjust this while you're inside of here, and you don't have to keep coming out. It would defeat the purpose of the shower room. So yeah, you can reach through here. We put this all the way to this side of our roof racks so that you can reach out and adjust that. Anyway, so we'll turn this to the off position, and then we release pressure and then pull off. And it's still gonna leak a little, but not nearly as bad. If you don't do that pressure thing, it can sometimes blow into your face a little. And then also, we would usually go like this, and I'm trying to aim into a cup here. Put your hose up and down like this, and push this button in, and you'll release all the water that's held inside the shower hose. Then we'll put that back in where we store it. And there's always going to be a little water drippage here. That's normal and fine. Okay, and then to actually put up the shower enclosure, I'll close this first as well. The water pump's off. We don't need any more access to that. Now we'll unlock here by pushing in. We'll make sure this one's unlocked as well. And then we'll just simply push in and push in. Now at this point, it should be hanging straight like it is right now. And these 4 rods, the rod that's in the bottom of each wall, they should all be just next to each other so it can be rolled up. And we'll just start from the bottom. I pull a little pressure down, and it's worth your time to probably take your time at this point and make sure you're rolling it up tightly. If there's any loose straps from that bottom adjustment, I just push them in here as I'm rolling up so they're all inside. Otherwise, you'll deal with them in your zipper when you try to close that opening or close the cover. Same thing with these. Make sure they're getting rolled up. This one that's hanging to the side, I'll push in here before I finish rolling it up. And there's even one here. Okay. These that have Velcro on obviously don't. You'll need those, so don't roll those up in. Okay. Velcro strap through the connector, tighten. Obviously you want it rolled up tightly and that really cinched down. The more you do rolling it up and cinching it down here, the less you'll have to do with your cover. You don't want your cover holding pressure in there. You want your coverage to zip up nicely. Otherwise, there's always tension against that, and that's hard on your cover, and stuff gets caught in the zipper here. All right. And just like that, see how the shower enclosure was put down, theoretically used, and then put back up. So again, it's a $250 option. It's from Overland Vehicle Systems. Really nice quality shower enclosure. And you can just add it on our build form, or when you order, you just let us know you want it, and we'll put it on the driver's side here where the shower port is. Thank you.